Hi there, welcome back to Django tutorial. This is 8th tutorial in this series. Now I am going to make this a bit more dynamic and I will start with the quiz challenge where all the quiz should be covered. Now we can add more else if statement here, but this will make to a super long if block in the end. I rather want to make this more dynamic by adding a new variable at the top of the file which I will name as quiz challenge, and this should hold a dictionary and this hold a key and value where key is our quiz name and its value. Similarly for second quiz, and its value. Now third one, and its value, and third, same as fourth quiz, and its value, and last one is fifth and its value. Now we have all the quiz and their value. Now we can go to the quiz challenge and replace the if statement with some code where we access these keys like quiz challenge and quiz. Here quiz is the parameter that we get from the request, which hold a value like first, second and so on, and we access a key of that name in our quiz challenge dictionary to extract that value for the respective key. Now of course this could fail if quiz is not one of the above key. We can simply add try catch here. Try, if it's success it return HTTP response quiz challenge. Otherwise it goes to the accept and return HTTP response not found. Quiz does not found. We can remove extra line. Let's save. As you can see, my server has been loaded. Let's have a try on the browser. Localhost 8000 and first. For the first we got a expected return. Let me try for the second quiz. Again it's working for the second as well. Let me try for one more time for the third one, and it's work. Now I will try the quiz that do not exist in our dictionary. Let's say it's 6 and quiz does not found as expected. In this video we have make our view more dynamic, along with we have reduced our code as well. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.